how to block and unblock someone on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block or unblock someone within the Instagram app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So first, to block someone, we simply need to navigate to their profile on Instagram. So you can either do that by seeing the person in your feed, or you can search for the person. Then you just need to select their username. And then when it brings you to their profile, select the three dots in the top right of their profile and simply select block. It'll let you know what that means. They won't be able to message you, you won't see their content, and they won't be notified that you're blocking them. So go ahead and select block. You can also select block and report if you want to report them to Instagram. So I'm going to select block. When you reload their profile, you won't see any of their reels or posts, and you'll see unblock next to messages under their actual bio and everything. So that's the first way to unblock someone, is to navigate to their profile and then select unblock. Now, most likely you won't be able to find their profile. So another way to unblock people on Instagram is to navigate to your profile. Then once your profile loads, select the three lines in the top right of the app to open up the settings and privacy. Then just scroll down and under who can see your content, select blocked. It'll show you a full list of all the accounts you currently have blocked on Instagram. And all we need to do is select unblock next to the person we want to unblock, confirm you want to unblock them. And then once they're removed from your blocked account list, that person is no longer blocked on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.